Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to view Snapcode scan history on Snapchat. Snapchat does not offer a direct feature to view your Snapcode scan history. However, you can try the following workaround. First, save the Snapcode. Wherever you share your Snapcode with someone or display it publicly, make sure to save a copy for yourself. In order to do that, open your Snapchat app. In the top left corner there's your profile icon. Open that, and over here tap on the Snapcode, and here we can see select save to camera roll, and this will directly be saved to your photos or your gallery. Also check for your contact. Snapchat automatically adds friends when you exchange snap codes, so you can review your contact to see if there are new additions you don't recognize. And remember to keep your account secure and only share your snap code with people you trust. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.